Hi, good evening. My name is Sai Chiranaidaraju. Today, my concept is blockchain technologies. So, coming to the introduction part, I have done the first part, second part. I have divided the four parts in this project. So, the coming to the first part, it's ERC20 token deployment, and the second part is called ERC721 NFT deployment, and the third part is I use the industrial use cases, and the fourth part is I have done the challenges and disrupts. So coming to the first part for the ERC200 token deployment, where I have taken the 200 token deployment. So I have deployed ERC20 tokens to using with the Remix IAD as well as the MetaMask. Let's take an example. I have taken an example called RCB. So RCB is a team. In that RCB team, I have taken the four of the players. So I have divided the four of them called like 50-50 tokens have been given to them. So the total supply of these tokens is 200 tokens. So network that I have used for this project is Ethereum Sefolia testnet. So I have uploaded all the documents related to the how the NFT tokens I have used and how the deployment has been used. What are the IP addresses that have been taken from the NFT? So I have copied each and everything and pasted it over here. Coming to the next ERC token deployed in the Sefolia as I've told previously. I have deployed in the Sefolia test network via Remix as well as a MetaMask. So I have transferred the tokens to four of the separate wallet as I said. So it has been verified and the transaction for the scan has been given in the second slide. So coming up for the part 2, I have used the ERC721 NFT. So this is a standard ERC721 NFT with the token. And in this, I have used the blockchain network called Ethereum Sepolia Test again. So I have given the contract address as well. So yeah, NFT deployment is for me it's an minted deployment. So I have used the meta ownership as well as the Etherscan, as well as I have used validate meta retrieval from IPFS. So the tokens were auto incremented or I have taken the mint. In the 721 NFT transaction URL, I have given the transaction approval URL over here. First, the transaction URL as well as the token URL. So you can screen the second picture over here. You can see the Gale has the photo over there that is used for the JSON. So in the part 3, I have previously told in the part 3 I have used the industrial cases for this. So it's a BIVD vehicle for the supply chain and traceability manufacturing unit. Yeah, for me, I have taken this project in the different in the various zones. I have taken the continent called China as I mean a country called China. In the China BYD being your own devices vehicles, BYD vehicles, as well as Schengen Gas among these companies that have employed from the VE chain to monitor the life cycle of produce the goods. Every time receivers an ID, QR, NFC tag enabling the downstream collaborations and customers to confirm this authenticity as well as the origin. The benefits of this consistency of increased transparency, reduced risk of counterfeiting, and automatic compliances documentation. In addition to that, numerous Chinese factories dependent on the legacy of MSC and ERP solutions, leading to the integration. And the second part of this, in this subtopic is a digital identity and regulatory reporting. So in this digital identity as well as regular reporting, in this the peoples of bank from China, the standard China leading application called DLT in the sector. Although it's not entirely decentralized, it incorporates mechanisms to facilitate the programmable currency, including features like conditional payments and regulated expenditures. Security tokenization and settlements. This is a subtopic of the last one. Uh, Industrial use case. In this industry, we have used moreover the blockchain based service called BNS and facilitates contract of platforms utilizes in the trade finance. Chinese financial institutions like Bank of China employ DLT or to the streamline letters of credit and international settlements, as well as the mining, minimizing the fraud and accelerating the settlement process. The benefits of consistent in this increase the settlement efficiencies, better regulatory supervision, and decreased country party risk. Coming up for the last, that is called decentralizing energy trading. Within the IoT sector, that is Internet of Things sector, the China utilizes the blockchain technology for the energy and infrastructure oversights. The state-gripped cooperation of China has implemented blockchain systems to handle electricity data as well as renewable energy certificates to peer-to-peer energy exchanges, as well as the IoT sensors are providing the real-time data to leader. This enhances the accuracy of the data, minimizing as well as the billing conflicts, and the aids China's goals for the energy. And coming up for the conclusion, in the conclusion, I have successfully designed and deployed as well as I've verified the ERC20 as well as the ERC721 smart contracts on the Ethereum Cephalian test network, and have demonetized to end-to-end token lifecycle, including the creations and securing the distributions to multiple wallets and NFT mining. Have showed efficiency of uses of IPSF and decentralization access storage, ensuring the immutability as well as the cost efficient of the chain data management. The four application illustration has smart contract DLT and already being used in the university industries, both manufacturing and the supply chains, as well as the financial markets. Although this disrupt the actual introduction of the capability takes a long time to realize the domains to main cast this determination by the factors like government standards, acceptance and the regulation, scalability, as well as the integrations and with the old systems as well, and all the domains of the amplifying the potential as well as the challenges in the practice that organization has to come over in order to gain a long-term value of blockchain technologies. In this, I have faced a few difficulties as well as a few interruptions while uploading the while having the transaction with the JSON. So first I have taken the picture of the JSON, I have uploaded in the JSON file, then I have copied that JSON file and pasted it in the Mint. So where I can found there is one difficulty over there for the coming I have it you know for me it didn't came. First of all, the transaction has been declared, and the second time I have changed the token ID. Then I got to know about how we have to change the token ID, then only we'll get. So this is only that one difficulty I have faced in this project. Apart from that, I have done this in my own way.